Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so simple, only 2 rows repeat, a triangle shawl. You can make it easily and so fast. You believe me. I use this beautiful colorful yarn. I love it very much. It's only 2 row repeating. You need only knots, make chains and double crochet. It's not so tough. It's for beginner friendly. I hope you like it and try. I use middle thickness cotton yarn and 4mm hook. You can choose which yarn you want. If you want to use it for cowl, you need this width is nearly 120 nearly. But if you want to use a big shoulder triangle shawl, you need this, the finishing and width is 160 centimeter minimum. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet this beautiful and so simple shawl. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start the crochet. I start with magic ring. I will show you magic ring and chains, both of you. Which you want to start, you can make it. First of all, magic ring. I made a circle like that. Grab my yarn and 1, 2, 3 chain and count as the first double crochet. Yarn over and make 2 more double crochet. Then 1, 2 and 3 chains, yarn over and make 3 more double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then pull that yarn tightly and close that hole and grab these 2 yarns together, so I lock here and not opening this part again. Then keep crocheting. Okay, this is the first way. But if you don't want to make a magic ring, you can start with make a slip knot. I made my slip knot with 2 chain actually. 1, I hold like that, and 1 more and lock it. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Then insert into the first one. Grab this yarn and make a slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 chain. Count as the first double and do it again. Make 2 more double crochet in this hole. 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3 chains and make 3 more double. 1, I want to hide this tail too. 1, 2 and 3. Now we start to make our pattern. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Yarn over and insert that chain 3 space. Grab your yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the same space. Grab your yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over and insert into the same space. Grab your yarn and pull through 2. I have 4 loops. Pull through all together. I made a cluster. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same space, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same space, grab your yarn, pull through 2 and make it 1 more time. Pull through 2. I have 4 loops. Pull through all together and close my second cluster. Then yarn over and do the same thing, same as the starting point here. I close, insert into the last double stop and make here loose the double crochet. Then we start the third row. 1, 2, 3, and turn my work. Then yarn over and insert into the same stitch. We start to make increases, and after this row always we repeat the same 2 rows. Pull through to pull through to make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and make 1 more double in the same stitch and make a V stitch and make your increases. Yarn over and insert into the chain 3 space and make here 7 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then yarn over and come to the last double stop. Make a double, chain 3, make 1 more double. You can make here a double crochet or triple. Okay, you can start with chain 3, or if you make your chains so tight, you can make it 4 chains. Okay, you can adapt it. I want to make a triple. Yarn over twice, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 or 4, you can adapt it. Now we come to the 4th round and we have V stitches here. So yarn over and I make my clusters in that V stitch. Pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, pull through 2. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains and make 1 more cluster. 1, 2, and 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. Then 1, 2, 3 chains. Skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the 4th double stop. Grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Come to the chain 3 space and make your cluster again. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains and make 1 more cluster here. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over twice, insert into the last stitch and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Finish your row with triple. Then 3 or 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will repeat the 3rd row again. We made here increases, so I will make here increases and make my V stitch. I insert into the same stitch and make a double, chain 3 and make 1 more double. Then yarn over and come to the chain 3 space. Do the same thing. Make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then yarn over, skip these 3 chains, and you know here we have a single crochet. I insert that stitch and make here a V stitch and keep the increases. 1 double, chain 3 and insert into the same stitch, make 1 more double. Then skip these 3 chains and come to that chain 3 space and make here 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We start with increases V stitch, so we will finish our row with the V stitch. Yarn over, insert into the last stitch and make here double, chain 3, make one more double, yarn over twice and finish with a treble. 1, 2, 3, or lose the double crochet, it's your choice. Now we will repeat the clusters row, then make the V stitch row. Always repeat it again. I will show you one more time, after you can keep crocheted it easily. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, I turn. I have a V stitch. I look at the before of the previous row and I made a clusters in V stitch. So yarn over, insert here and make 1, 2 and 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and make one more cluster. 1, 2 and 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains, then skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, come to next V stitch and make here my clusters. 1, 2 and 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains, then make one more cluster. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. Then chain 3, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, make a single. 1, 2, 3, come to next V and make the cluster again. 1, 2 and 3. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains and make one more cluster. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 loops and close my clusters, yarn over twice and insert into the last stitch. 1, 2 and 3. I complete. Next row is double crochet row, chain 4 or 3, turn, then yarn over and insert into, make my increases first. Okay, insert into the very first stitch, same stitch, and make a double, chain 3 and make one more double. Then come to chain 3 space, make 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I make my increases from first and in single crochet. Yarn over, insert into the single crochet stitch and make a V stitch, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Then make here 7 double, then make here V stitch, 7 double and finish with your finishing increases. Always you will repeat these 2 rows. You will have this beautiful shawl. I hope you like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.